Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing an unboxing. I'm super excited. First of all, I wondered why I did not know about this earlier. So, you guys know after 6 months, the bassinet goes away, or determined upon how big your baby is. But normally it's around 6 months, and you put them in a crib now. But the problem is this: even with the bassinet in the crib, okay, what do you use when you're in the kitchen or you're in a different room and you want your wonderful bundle of joy with you? You get this thing. Like, this is, you can actually use this as a crib as well, or even a what you call a bassinet type of thingamajig. But this is the coolest thing. We're going to talk about the NUNA SENA. I think it's pronounced Sena Air Travel Crib. I saw this. I wasn't looking for it, and I wish I had it since the beginning. I wish I had since when she was born. But let's talk about it. What does it do, and what is it for, basically? Now, I'm a little sweaty because I decided to do the unboxing and then do the intro and outro, which is something I normally don't do. And this is probably why. All right. So it says, travel becomes less of a hassle with NUNA's innovative Sena crib. Now, this is mainly people use it for travel. And you can use it as a playpen as well. But it's known for using it for travel. Now with an advanced air design that allows airflow from every angle, the easy open play place features a ventilated quilted mattress that pulls away heat and humidity from baby's skin. The mattress can be placed in a higher bassinet position, which I'll show you, that's easy to reach when baby is tiny. Then move to a lower position when your little one starts pulling up and getting more mobile. I don't know for you guys, when you're changing your baby now after 6-7 months, you're changing her or him and they're lifting themselves up and you're like, hey, lay back down. They're coming back up and I'm like, hey, lay back down. Yeah, that's the thing we're dealing with now. It says the smart leg design allows one hand fold up and everything folds with the frame and slides into the included travel bag for easy packing or storage. Skid-proof features and padded edges ensure quiet, pinch-free operation so you and baby both get a good night's sleep. This is for use from birth to 3 years old, so it's amazing. It weighs 24.8 pounds, and the soft quilted mattress and fitted sheet included. Changer is sold separately. They also have a changer that I believe retails for $60. Oh, this retails for $350. I'm sorry. And it is water resistant, durable fabric, resists stains, drips, and tears. The fabric is mesh and aluminum, and it is imported. So let's go ahead and see the unboxing. And then I'm going to come back and tell you how easy or hard it was to put together or whatever. Even though I already know, as you know, I'm doing the intro and outro together, which I don't like doing it this way. All right. All right, so I opened it. You get the manual and all this other stuff that, just box stuff. And then you take it out. And this is the mattress and the Sena. You get the bag, the travel bag, which I don't think you can put in as a carry-on. That's the mattress pad. You're doing so good, sweetie. That's the mattress pad, or the sheet. I would wash it before using it. That's what I did. And that was pretty neat. And I appreciate it. Then, when you put it back together to travel with, you put the mattress around the entire playpen and it all fits together back in the bag. Now this is the bottom so that you can see how grippy it is. Grippy. I don't think that's a word. And this is how easy it is to open it. I love, so the color for this is caviar. It's black, but they call it caviar. And I just think it looks so classy. This is with it with the infant part in there. And so when you're ready to take it out, you just pull it out. But pushing it down to make it stay, and also pushing the bottom part down, there's a click and you can hear it lock. So that's really cool, but we can't use that because our daughter's too big for it now. But this is how you take that infant part out. Yes, sweetie, you're doing so good. Even on voiceovers, guys, she's still here. My wonderful girl. And this is how easy it is. It clips on. So yeah, over a certain pound, it'll obviously just clip off probably, but it was very secure. And this is without the infant insert. And so you just pull it up to fold it up, which is so easy, and just press it back down and it clicks down to make it secure. I love that so much. This is the back of the mattress that they gave you, which is nice. It has the Velcro and all that stuff, and the nylon, and it's airy and all that good stuff. You of course can put the baby down just on that, but I like the what do you call it? The sheet to go on top. All right, guys. So, what do I think with this unboxing? First of all, this thing is so easy, super easy. Now, I don't even get to use the baby part because we just missed that. So, that kind of sucks. But if we have another baby, not sure about that yet, then we'll use that part. But the one-handed down and just pick it up, oh, that's great. And you hear it click, which is really amazing. I got it in the black. I think it's not graphite, carbon. It's called carbon. And oh my gosh, I think this thing is going to be amazing. So I'm going to try it out, and so excited. I'm super excited. So yeah, it was really easy to take out the crib part, not the crib part, but the baby section, as you saw. And yeah, all I now need to do is wash the sheet and put the baby in it with some toys maybe. So yeah, I hope this helps you guys figure out if it was something you were looking at or not. But I'm super excited. I'm super excited. I think this thing is super cool. And yeah, I wanted to do an unboxing with you guys. You guys know I'm getting baby stuff all the time, toys, all type of stuff. I haven't showed you some of the. I've been showing you some of the stuff, but not all of it. So yeah, I will see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching, and have an amazing day. Bye. Yeah, guys, I'm super excited. Looks really nice. Feels really quality. That's what I like, really. And the fact that it's easy to pull up and push down. And I can take it in and out of the rooms, which is great. So when she's not in her crib, which I still have to show you guys her crib and that stuff. So, yeah. I will see you guys next time.